Letter names and sounds. Practice for kindergarten. Letter name, A. Letter sound, A, as in apple. Letter name, B. Letter sound, B, as in ball. Letter name, C. Letter sound, K, as in cat. Letter name, D. Letter sound, D, as in dog. Letter name, E. Letter sound, E, as in elephant. Letter name, F. Letter sound, F, as in fish. Letter name, G. Letter sound, G, as in gorilla. Letter name, H. Letter sound, H, as in horse. Letter name, I. Letter sound, I, as in igloo. Letter name, J. Letter sound, J, as in juice. Letter name, K. Letter sound, K, as in kangaroo. Letter name, L. Letter sound, L, as in lion. Letter name, M. Letter sound, M, as in monkey. Letter name, N. Letter sound, N, as in nose. Letter name, O. Letter sound, Ah, as in octopus. Letter name, P. Letter sound, P, as in pig. Letter name, Q. Letter sound, Qu, as in question. Letter name, R. Letter sound, as in rabbit. Letter name, S. Letter sound, S, as in sun. Letter name, T. Letter sound, T, as in turtle. Letter name, U. Letter sound, as in umbrella. Letter name, V. Letter sound, V, as in van. Letter name, W. Letter sound, W, as in watch. Letter name, X. Letter sound, X, as in the ending sound of box. Letter name, Y. Letter sound, Y, as in yellow. Letter name, Z. Letter sound, Z, as in zebra. You can rewind the video or play it again and try to say the letter names and letter sounds before I do.